Alright, so in this video we're kind of tying together what we talked about in the previous videos using those properties, and we're going to use those to simplify radicals. Okay, so let's just jump into a radical, or into a definition. For a radical to be in simplest form, we've got to apply the properties that we've already learned, and we've got to remove any perfect roots. Okay, so more on that in just a minute. Just kind of listen up for that in the example. So I want to do this first example. I'm going to do that in green. So what I have is I'm looking to simplify the cube root of 54. Alright, so since my index is 3, pretty much what I'm going to do is look for 3 of a kind. Okay, so that's might be a little confusing right now, but it's about to make sense. So what I'm going to do is take my 54, whatever is underneath my root symbol, and I'm going to draw a factor tree. You probably did this in middle school. We're going to do the exact same thing. So I'm just going to break down 54 as low as it can go. 54 is even, so I'm going to start with 2. So 2 times 27 is 54. Let's see, I want to break down 27 now. So that's 3 and 9. I want to break down 9 now. 3 and 3. Well, 2, 3, 3, and 3. Those are all prime numbers. So we're doing what's called a prime factorization. And since my index was 3 in my example, I want to look for 3 of a kind. So since I have 3 of a kind, I need power 3 to bust out of jail. So I can rewrite my problem. That I started with, the cube root of 54. I can rewrite that as the cube root of 3 to the third power times 2. It's 3 to the third power because I had 3 of them. 2 just because I had 1 of them. Again, cube and cube root cancel out, so 3 gets the bust out of jail. So it's 3 times the cube root. And 2 did not have enough power to bust out of jail, so he's still stuck on the inside. So this is the simplest form of the cube root of 54. Pretty easy. Okay, I'm going to do the next example in blue. Alright, so I'm looking for 5 of a kind this time when I have 3 fourths. So I'm going to start with my factor tree. Well, nothing I do here is going to give me 5 of a kind because 3 fourths is just 3 fourths. So fortunately I just had 3 fourths to the first power. Okay, but I need power 5 to bust out of jail. Again, your power and your index have to be the exact same like we saw in this example to be able to bring that number outside. It's not going to happen with 3 fourths, so this actually is the simplest form. 5th root of 3 fourths just stays 5th root of 3 fourths. Can't do anything with that. So that's it for this video.